Hello friends, how you guys doing? Welcome once again to our channel. All right, so this morning we're taking a look on the market and to see the best position for us to take and be profitable. All right, so we're starting with Bitcoin. Yesterday we made it clear to you guys on what actually is going on in the market, and I told you that we're expecting Bitcoin to drop, and you can see exactly it happens as we forecasted. So now is the best time for you to kind of join the Bitcoin. All right, so I think this is a very good setup for you guys. All right, so in case you've not positioned yourself, I think this is time for you, because nobody knows. This might be the one that goes, okay? And the expectation is high here, guys, okay? The expectation is high. So assuming this one that goes, it can just break this and also start going up. So what we're expecting on Bitcoin is huge. If you take a look on it on the daily, so take a look on it here, we're expecting Bitcoin to at least guys to get to like 45,000 range to 46,000 range. So why would you want to miss this? So that's why you just need to like fill in your order. We've actually taken a lot of position here, and as you can see for yourself, and now we're already on the trade and we're waiting for the trade to play out as we expected of it now. All right, so we take a look on Ethereum. Ethereum actually is the same, okay, because the market has actually given us this wave correction, so we're expecting it to come, and you can see this trend has actually been broken. So it has been broken here, guys. So what are you expecting? This is a descending kind of wedge. All right, so breaking it here and giving us this three wave means, you know, the market continues in this upside. All right, so if you take a look on the cover, this one actually is not set. We've seen this, so that maybe there will be a drop, one more before it bounces off, guys. So we're expecting this to happen, one more drop and a bounce will happen. Now we'll take a look on the ADA. That's the Cardano. Cardano actually is set, guys. So I think this one is also set. Put your entry order here, guys. Put your entry order here. Position yourself here, and the market is going up. You'll be tagged in, guys. So don't miss this Cardano. Let's take a look on this. This one is also on the Avalanche. The Avalanche, if you take a look on it critically, you can see, well, even though that this is moving this way, you might give one more drop before going up, but eventually we've seen a case whereby from here, like you can see, this is 1 2 3 1 2 3. Expect something like this for Avalanche, guys, to play out. Okay, so that's what we're expecting. Then on the Doge, guys, Dogecoin, I think Dogecoin now is making a correction like this, which means there might be a spike. Actually, this spike might not be the one that moves. It might give us another drop before going up. So let's be positioned correctly. And on the Doge, I will expect it to drop one more, but this move is kind of imminent, guys. So we're expecting this move to play out, drop like this, and before it goes. Then on the BNB, now the BNB also is what we expected to break out of this for a long time. So putting your entry position here will be a very good thing for you guys, because if you take a look on the BNB, he has been dropping all this while, so, and he has given us this complete three-wave corrective structure, guys, and it's giving us this. Even if this one is not the one that go, if it does this and drop again, believe me, at this time definitely it will be going. So but let's see how it goes here, guys. So on the Forex pairs, now remember what I told you guys on the gold yesterday. Gold, we're here. You can check our previous video yesterday. I told you when we're here that it will be bouncing off. Actually, it has bounced off here. So what are we expecting? We're expecting a three-wave move down here, and it continues, guys. Okay, three-wave move down and it continues. It will be kind of risky to jump at this level, but you know, even if you jump at this level, let's see, it might do something like this and drop. Or there's also another saying that is hidden here. What if this becomes 1 2 3, and that is all the correction that we might have, which is healthy? So wherever you are buying here, if you are buying here or you're waiting for this three wave, put your stop here. Okay, if your accounts can take it, I think it's a very good trade setup for you guys. Now the pound dollar, Now, pound dollar, I told you guys yesterday that is dropping. Actually, we took a trade here and it was fantastic and it drops like this. So we've actually closed the trade because we were expecting what if this happens to bounce off again before dropping. So let's wait for it to see the next move for the market, because we're expecting the market to actually give us another spike, okay, another spike like this before a final drop, okay, before a final drop. So that will give us like A, B, C. So before the move now starts. So let's observe this, okay. Let's wait for it and see how it plays out, guys. Now, if you take a look on the pound yen, and you can see the same thing playing out here. The market's actually going sideways. So sideways, this is 1, 2, 3. So let's assume this comes like this, drop like this before it goes, completing this. So that's what we're expecting on the pound yen. Now the euro USD, euro USD actually is going sideways all this while. Remember what I told you guys yesterday, okay, that something like this might be a side move for a long time. So nothing has actually changed, but if not, what we'll be expecting for the market on the 4 hours, you can see is for the market to actually 1, 2, 3. We're expecting one more drop before it moves, guys. Let's take a look on the dollar yen. The dollar yen now, you remember what we said yesterday, that we're expecting the market to give something like this, and now the market is actually still not ready to complete. Now for this, before the market drops, there will be a completion of this structure, guys. All right, a completion of this 3-wave structure, so which is what we're expecting of the market to do. So this morning there might be a spike, okay, before drop. How high this spike can go, I don't know, but this spike is coming, guys. Okay, so let's take a look on also the dollar card. Dollar card, we can see that the market is actually going ascending. The ascending, we're expecting the market to drop from anywhere from here, guys. So this is not the time for you to buy, but to wait for the market to complete this and give us a drop. Also look at this one, the euro pounds. The euro pounds, this one we're also expecting the market to drop any moment from now. Just wait for it, guys. We're expecting the market to drop. We took a buy order here. We've closed our order because of the way this structure behave. All right, so but let's see how it goes. But we're expecting the market to drop, guys. Okay, so but until that is proven, we'll see a sell setup. It's not ready yet. Now the Audi card. Now this, I think this one is a very good one. We're expecting this to give us one more drop, then it goes. All right, so let's see how this one goes. I think this is ready for us now. It might decide to go even without dropping again because he has completed this structure. So this is a very good one, a very good setup for you guys if you're interested in this pair. All right, so let's also take a look on the euro Audi. This is going sideways, so let's see how it goes. This might actually drop here, come up again before continuing. So let's watch it, guys. Watch this. This correction is not complete yet because there's a spike here. This spike, I don't think, is the beginning of a new move. It might be among the corrective structure, but let's watch and see how it goes. But if it breaks up here and closes here, then there might be an indication that this spike might give us something like this, then before that drop. Okay, now let's take a look on this, the Audi Swiss. All right, this move, yesterday I was telling you guys that something, it might decide to tag this high and drop. Okay, so but now it's going up. So what are we taking from here? I think this is still part of the corrective structure, guys. So I don't think you should jump into this trade for now. So let's watch and see what the market is doing. So because two things might happen, it's forming here. So this is 1, 2. If it drops like this, then at the break of this you can take it. But if it start dropping, it might take the sell from there. But I think taking sell is more healthy than buy at this point. Okay, so the dollar Swiss, Dollar Swiss, I told you yesterday that you guys should stay clear from this because the market is just squeezing. And this squeeze, we can see clearly that, it can drop from any moment from now. The market can decide to drop any moment from now. So that's why you need to pay attention to what is going on. So for me, I don't think taking buy or sell is healthy now. So, but just wait and see the completion of this. The Aussie now, we're expecting this to break out, guys, today probably, and drop before it goes. So expect something like this to play out on the Aussie. So that's what we're expecting today, guys. All right, so this is just a quick recap on the new developments based on the data we have available. As the market makes more developments, we'll update you guys, okay? So don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like this video, and don't forget to share with your friends, guys. See you on the next video.